Here's a LG Magic Remote. I'm going to show you how to enable and disable the pointer that you see on the screen, okay? Now take note, I don't think there's a way that you can permanently disable this pointer. I know it gets annoying for some people. However, you can kind of temporarily get rid of it, okay? So for instance, you can see the pointer there on the TV. If you press the up, down, left, or right, it'll disappear. So I'll press left, see the pointer on the TV, I'll press left here, boom, it's gone, okay? And now it's gone, so now you have to like move left, up, or down using the arrows. Okay, if you want to select something, like for instance, I'll select Netflix, I can still use the wheel button here, I'll press the wheel button, okay? Now take note, if you scroll up or down with the wheel button, like I'll scroll up, boom, pointer comes back, okay? You want the pointer gone, I'll just press up this time, up, it's gone, okay? And now, I can use up, down, left, or right, okay? However, if you want the pointer back, then you have to, on the wheel again, you have to slide up or slide down. Okay, I'll slide down, boom, it appears. All right, hope you guys got that. Good luck.